I'm on the RV hunt, so I hope I can find something I really like. I found a couple of RV dealerships online and I ended up going. Here is an RV tour of the 5 RVs I didn't buy. Enjoy! Okay, yeah, I can see the restroom is in the back. Oh yeah, I've seen this one online.
I personally like the other one better.
Yeah. I do think the other one is better, even though I think many people would go for this because it has the bathroom in the back and it has the cabinets back there.
I just feel like it doesn't have a homey.
Yeah, it doesn't feel homey.
It just looks like a massage place,
yeah,
or a doctor's office. I don't know, I don't like it.
Yeah, I do think the other one is better. Yeah, it doesn't have that homey feel like the other one. This is the RV that I bought for like 2 minutes in Bakersfield. I found it on Facebook Marketplace. Unfortunately, it broke down, and thankfully I hadn't left the people's house yet, and they were nice enough to refund me because they felt so bad about it. We had done a test drive and it drove around really well, and then we got back to their house and left it running, and it just shut down about 2 minutes after I signed the paperwork. I was so sad because it was such a nice RV. Okay, you guys, I am at another RV place. Let's see how this goes. At this RV place, and I looked at this one. I came to check out another one. This is huge. It's I'm realizing it seems a bit too big. I came to look at another one. It's really long. Make sure to watch my RV tour video if you'd like to see the RV that I did choose and purchase, linked in the description box. If you would like to support my channel, all the links are located in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!